In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fun and engaging typewriter effect to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to grab your audience's attention or add a touch of creativity to your site, this simple yet effective feature can help you achieve just that. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to the Wix app market within your site's editor. To do this, simply look for the Add Apps option. You can usually find it either directly within your editor interface or by searching for it in the top menu. Once you're there, you've entered a space brimming with creative possibilities. The Wix app market is packed with handy tools and features that can help elevate your site's functionality. And today, we'll focus on a special one, the typewriter effect. Next, we're going to search for a typewriter app by typing typewriter into the search bar. You'll see several options pop up, so take a moment to explore them. Apps such as Typewriter Effect or Type Price Animation are typically good choices. These are designed to provide that classic typewriter look and feel, bringing a unique dynamic to your text. Once you've identified an app that aligns with your vision, it's time to add it to your site. Click on Add to Site to incorporate this nifty feature into your page. Once added, you'll see a new widget appear. You'll want to place this widget exactly where you want your typewriter effect to be displayed. Simply drag the widget to your desired location on your page. It's a straightforward process. Just drag and drop to find the perfect spot. Positioning is key because the placement of this effect can make a big impact on how visitors experience your site. Now, for the creative part, customizing the effect to match your brand and style. Select the app widget you just added, and let's dive into its settings. Here, you can fine-tune a variety of options, such as the text you want to animate, the animation speed, and even the color scheme. This customization allows you to style the effect so that it integrates seamlessly with your site's overall design. And the best part? You don't have to write a single line of code. Just explore the settings until you achieve the look and feel that's just right for you. By following these steps, you've successfully added a typewriter effect to your Wix site. With a little creativity and fine-tuning, this feature can captivate your visitors and enhance their experience on your site. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial, and happy creating!